guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Priyal. In today's video, I'm gonna tell you how to make your own face mask using multani mitti, which helps in preventing acne scars and pimples. So if you're also struggling with those, you should watch this video. And I'm gonna show you step by step, and all the ingredients are mostly available in your kitchen. So you don't need to worry about that. And if you're interested, keep watching. Okay, so the first thing you need is multani mitti, and this is available like everywhere. You can find it anywhere, even online it is available. But if you just don't want to buy it online, you can get it at any store, any grocery store that is available near you. You will get that. And the second thing that you need is aloe vera gel. Now aloe vera gel is something that everyone have in their house, and if you use the natural plant aloe vera, that will be like more beneficial. So it's up to you. I'm gonna use the aloe vera gel, the Patanjali aloe vera gel, and I think most of you use that. You can use any other brand aloe vera gel too. It's totally up to you which one you need to choose. Third you need is haldi. Now haldi, every household has that. In that masaldani you get it. Yeah. In that you get haldi. Like you can ask your mom, she might know it. And use the very little amount of haldi in it, as if you apply or put more amount in it, then your face will be very yellow. It will be for less time, but still it would be like yellow. Use only small amount of haldi, as you know, haldi can yellow your face a lot. It will be temporary, but it can do it, so apply only this much, like put only this much amount, and I'm gonna show you how much amount you need to put. And okay, so these are the ingredients that you need. And for water, you can use normal water also, tap water or rose water. So it's totally optional and up to you which one you are suitable with. There are many of you who are allergic to rose water, or rose water does not suit them. So I would really suggest you that you can choose accordingly. It doesn't really matter that much. Whatever suits your skin, use that. Okay, so in the next step, I'm gonna show you how to make that, and I'm just gonna remove my makeup and all and get set. First thing is to take a bowl. I actually stored it in a box like this. It was finished, so I started using and making my mask in this box. But to show you guys, I'm using a bowl. You can also store it in a box. So you need a box or a bowl, and in that use the multani mitti powder. I'm using the bio-organic multani mitti powder. This is something I had ordered from Nykaa. I will put the link in the description. You can check it if you are interested in it. Okay, so I'm gonna put it just a little bit of amount, and it contains a lot of amount in it, and it is very cheap, so I think you can use it for a month or two. Next you need aloe vera gel. I'm using the Patanjali aloe vera gel, and I use it a lot, and I love this one. You can use any brand aloe vera gel. Few pumps of it. I'm gonna take this much amount of haldi. It's very little compared to the quantity I've put up of multani mitti. Next, put up little amount of water, as the product is also little. Don't make it very watery. And you're done. Okay, so I'm gonna apply it. I'm just gonna tie my hair. Put all the mini hair back. Okay, so I'm all set, and I'm gonna apply the pack that we just made. This is how it looks like. I have kept the spoon also, as there is a bit of a product, and I'm gonna use it from that too, as you don't need to waste it. First I'm gonna take it from the spoon only. Feels so cooling, soothing, and very nice. And I'm sure all of these products are 99% not harmful for skin. Like some of them are allergic, that 1% is allergic sometimes. So you can do a patch test if you really think you might be allergic to something, but I don't think so you would be, as all are natural. I apply this pack like twice or thrice a week. Not even kidding. As I just feel so relieved and so clean, fresh. All the words that come in my mouth, everything. As it actually works for me, and I have been using it since very long now, I think a year or more, and it helps in removing tan also. Recently I had went to Goa also, so I was tanned and it helped me to remove the tan too. So it really helps in so many skin problems. I think this is it, and I'm gonna wait it to dry. I think it takes 10 to 15 minutes, and you can keep it for a bit long if you want to. I keep it personally as I have an oily skin type. If you are a dry skin type, I would really suggest you to remove it as soon as it dries out, as it actually dries your skin that you actually have. It dries it more. So after removing this, just apply any moisturizer. It's very important. And I'll be back after 15 minutes. Okay, so my face is dry. A bit of yellow patch you can see, that is of haldi. And I'm gonna wash it off and show you guys my face. You can see how my face feels, and I just feel so fresh and awakened and very nice, soothing. And I'm gonna just apply a moisturizer on this and I'm good to go. And yes, I hope this was helpful for you. If you liked it, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment, press the bell icon, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!